In this video, I'm gonna show you how to block any software or program in Firewall Windows 10.
So first thing you need to do, click on Start menu and type here Control Panel. Select Control Panel. Now select Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on Advanced Settings. Now here click on Inbound Rules and select New Rule. There are the 5 steps for blocking any program or software. So first thing, select Program and click on Next. Select the location for that file. There is the easy way if you have the shortcut for that program. So simply, for example, we will block Google Chrome web browser. So click right button of your mouse and go to Properties. In the target location, make copy and paste here. And if you don't have the location, so you can browse that file. Cut this extra thing. Now click on Next and select Block the connection. So here you can block and allow the connection. We will select Block the connection and Next. Check these 3 boxes and go to Next. Now give the name and description for this program. So this is the Chrome and click on Finish. And now click on Outbound Rules and similar New Rule, Program, Next and paste for that address and click on Next. Block the connection, Next. Check these 3 boxes, Next. Type the name and Finish. So now we will test what happening for our Google Chrome. Now type any file. So you can see your internet access is blocked. Firewall or antivirus software may have blocked the connection. And if you want to undo this setting and you want to allow to access the internet, so go there, Advanced Settings and click on Inbound Rules and find your program. This is the Chrome and select Delete. Outbound rules like this, and this is the Chrome and Delete. Now you will able to access the internet. So by this method you can block any software, any program or any file on your computer to accessing internet. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thanks for watching this video.